Mr. Speaker, let me thank the chair of delegated legislation on not only on this matter, but on a number of regulations that I think he has served it diligently in terms of procedure. And Mr. Speaker, the essence of the formation of delegated legislation in dealing with matters of statutory instruments, regulations that are brought to this House is basically legal. Do they comply with the law? So the committee will look at regulations, not on the basis of anything else. They will look at the regulations whether they comply with the Statutory Instrument Act number 23 of 2013. And on the face of it, they have annulled this instrument because this instrument, if you look at section 11, subsection 1 of the Statutory Instrument Act number 23 of 2013, which I had an opportunity in the legislation of that act, the rules of this scrap metal, what is called the Scrap Metal Dealers Rules 2022, legal notice number 84 of 2022, was published in the Gazette Notice number 84 of 2022 on the 5th of May 2022 and were laid on the table of the House on 31st of May 2022. Now, that being the 9th sitting day since they were published, that itself gives this House and the committee that that Gazette notice did not comply with the statutory timelines provided or contemplated under section 11, subsection 1 of the Statutory Instrument Act of 2013. On the basis of that, the committee, in fact, did not even deliberate it. Because if you are told to bring tea, or the speaker is supposed, for example, let me use, if the speaker is supposed to start the proceedings of the House at 2:30, in accordance with our standing orders, the Speaker of the National Assembly cannot begin the proceedings at 3:30. It's as simple as that. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, Section 11, subsection 4 of the Act stipulates, and I want to read for those who are watching us and who are in his house. If a copy of a statutory instrument that is required to be laid before the relevant House of Parliament is not so laid in accordance with this section, the statutory instrument shall cease to have effect immediately after the last day for it to be laid, but without any prejudice. The Speaker, during my tenure as the leader of majority, and I really want my brother Amos Kimunya to rein in on government. During my tenure, I was not even allowing them to table. Once the legal team of the National Assembly tell me these people have violated the timelines, I will not table it. So even the tabling of it was wrong. Because why do you table when they have not conformed to the timelines? Mr. Speaker, and I really want this House, today is the last day. Mr. Speaker, this House, under my leadership, as a leader of majority, and my signature, passed the Scrap Metal Act, gives the minister powers, talks about exports, and then somebody somewhere goes on the streets and says that is null and void. In fact, there is a law existing. Mr. Speaker, don't kill small people, the hustlers who are making their lives